gonna try to recreate as many Red Bull stunts as we can. So Red Bull has done many insane stunts with planes, and today we're gonna try to recreate as many of them as we can.
So the plane we're gonna be using in this video is our newly built DIY Cub in a beautiful Red Bull livery. For our first stunt, we are going to recreate the famous helipad landing. But before we send it, we will need to do a bit more than a bit of practice.
This is about the same size as the pad that we're gonna try to land on, and this red area is the target touchdown zone for the landing. For this stunt, we added full flaps on the wing so we get the most lift possible for this small landing. So let's get into the first test. Going against the wind, so we got this flag to help us with that.
Holy shit.
That's so much lift in the cloud.
The amount of lift is like, it's like too much lift. Good accomplishment though.
Yeah.
Oh, that was actually pretty good.
Pretty close, pretty close. Okay, so now we're in the more realistic spot for landing, and let's see if I can get into the red zone.
Yeah. It's actually gonna be tough as fuck.
Yeah, I don't know why it's turning so much. It don't look good.
Oh, shit. After that, we realized that this was going to be a lot harder than we anticipated.
So we fixed the wheel, now we could finally do some more testing.
Fuck. Shit. There we go. Hit it too hard. Try to keep it like stable. There we go. There we go.
Okay, there we go.
That was sick. Oh, that was actually really good.
That's pretty close.
Oh shit. Holy frick. Oh my god, that almost hit the pole. Oh, crosswind.
I don't wait. See, like, well, once I'm at the height where the bunker is,
Yeah, look at that. Like, if you just do that. Oh my god. Smooth like
dude, I can't. Okay, on the like, if I'm just high and I don't have to dive fucking down full speed, like.
After David got used to the plane and we got everything ready to go, all that was left to do was wait for the perfect day to arrive.
So it's finally the perfect day, and here we have the pad that we're gonna land on. So we're finishing up the final touches for the landing, and we still got a couple more things to do, and then we'll get into it.
Alright, the circle is coming along well. It's looking pretty sick.
We are finished coloring it in. It looks so sick, and now we just have to add the resting wire. Okay, so we are plugged in. I'm dialing in for this landing. We have to get it. Oh, I'm getting a little nervous, but we should be fine.
Wind is going slightly.
Wind is perfect. It kind of broke, but the wind is going pretty good right now. Yeah, fix it up.
Is there a little flag just to? Oh, okay. The whole tape thing broke, bro. Well, the wind is coming straight this way right now, which means we could come in from this side onto the helipad.
It's gonna be insane. Okay, so we're gonna get into the air, do a couple laps just to get used to the plane. So let's go.
Oh ho ho! How's it feeling today?
Oh, it's actually amazing, the wind.
I know, it's like the wind is really stable right now.
Yeah. Okay, so
You want?
let's bring it in.
Do you want to do a flyby first of the bunker?
Oh yeah, definitely. I'm gonna do one test flyby and then we'll bring it in.
Alright, do a
Have you got
flyby.
it? I might probably bring it in here. Oh yeah, I'm coming in. Yeah, that's a good test.
Oh, you almost hit the tree though.
That felt pretty good. That felt pretty good. Oh shit, there's a bird chasing me. Oh shit.
Oh,
I'm getting chased. Wait, do you see that? Okay, I'm gonna bring it in. I'm tempting my first attempt.
just lock in. Don't like risk it.
Oh yeah.
That's going fast. It's going fast.
Yeah. Oh, here we go.
That was pretty good. Yeah, exactly.
Oh shit, I'm getting chased again. I'm getting chased by a bird. Wait, what? Okay, that's a little distracting. Oh shit, I almost hit the drone.
Alright.
Yeah.
Pretty high. Oh no! Oh my god!
No, we almost had it. Wait, that counts. That counts. It stayed. It stayed. Let's go, bro. Oh no! Holy shit! Okay, wait. We could get a better.
Let's get a better landing.
We're gonna bring a better wire and try this again. We almost got it there. Oh my god.
Oh my god.
That was amazing. Okay, so we did get it, but let's try to get it cleaner. We moved the wire low up, so hopefully we'll stop it earlier, so we can actually get a nice butter. And hopefully the freaking drone actually catches the footage this time.
Bruh.
Let's go. Okay, I'm coming around.
That's sick.
Okay, I'm coming in. Okay, I'm ready?
Alright. Remember to bail if you need to.
Yep.
Oh, that was sick.
Yeah, I could definitely turn off the engine more. We can take our time here. It's until the perfect.
Take your time.
Oh, the wind, perfect.
Oh, fuck. Fuck. Okay, landing gears.
Wait, we can repair that.
Yeah,
We can
okay.
repair that.
Oh, yeah, it's just like
Oh,
the
fuck. Ah! Let's check it, The engine is a little loose right now. We can easily fix that and come back though.
Okay.
So we just pile drive the plane into walls, so the motor's a little loose from that, like, obviously, so we're just gonna have to glue it back in place quickly. Oh, see, this whole paper just loosened up. See, it's all off. Oh my god. There we go. Just has to survive like a couple more flights, you know? Some quick little repairs. A little stressed right now.
Yeah, bro, you're like
Hey guys, you guys have to subscribe for that landing. Like, that was crazy.
Yeah.
Okay, we got some quick glue here. Okay, I think we're good.
Let's fucking go.
It's getting dark. This is our final attempt to get as good of a landing as possible. We already got it, which is a win, but we gotta get a better one, so let's go.
Are you just gyro on?
Yeah, it is.
Alright.
You just do it.
Okay, we have to go. It's 45.
Yeah, let's go.
Alright. Don't land unless you're like actually comfortable.
I'm definitely gonna come lower than that. Okay, I'm gonna do my first try. Just a nice pass. Holy shit! It broke right through the wire.
Alright, don't nail it. Butter.
Okay, so we ran out of daylight and we want to get a better resting wire so we can really trust it. Like, we just went right through that thing. So we're gonna come back the next day that's available. That's perfect weather. So we'll see you guys then. The weather's perfect today. It couldn't be better. So we gotta get a butter here.
Let's hope we got a butter.
Oh, it's flying amazing.
Alright, so today there's also no wind, which is not exactly perfect for landing on the bunker because you need wind to go at crosswind. But, I mean, the plane's gonna have a lot of speed, but I think it's still doable today. Oh. Did the
Bro,
veils?
I feel like it's coming so fast right now.
It's coming in so nice and straight though.
Oh, it
oh
bounced
my god!
over, it
Oh my god!
bounced over
Oh my
the
god!
freaking wire.
This is DIY, like it's actually crazy. We actually made such a good DIY plane. Hot. Oh! No! No! We're in the air, nice and smooth again. Holy.
Even after all those crashes, still flying amazing.
Oh! Oh! I heard that.
Oh.
Okay, there goes the wheel. Oh, both the wheels.
Yeah, that was a hard
That was
landing.
a tough one. Holy. Got one wheel over there, one wheel over there. That's
Yeah, I think the resting wire just gave out on. I mean, like, okay, today, like, we're coming in way too fast. We definitely need wind. Yeah, the no wind, like, I'm coming in way too fast. So that'll be it for this video, and if this video gets 100 likes, we'll do a part 2 of another stunt. Thanks for watching, and see you guys in the next one.